Okay, we're walking now into the two-bedroom. Brandy just opened it up for us. She's so nice. What's the model on this one?
This is the B2
B2.
at 1,124 square feet.
Okay. Wow. Okay. My initial reaction is wow. This feels more like a home, honestly. This is just very cool. Let me try to describe some of this. You want to describe some of this, maybe in the kitchen?
As you notice with the one bedroom, we have the whites, and now we have the dark countertops here. All of this will be standard across the board in terms of the appliances, lighting, things of that nature. On this side, you will have the full-size washer and dryer. Again, standard across the board throughout the community, so no additional charge or no need to bring your own.
Really, really nice. And
Yes.
so you've got a huge island that's here, really, really nice thick granite countertop that's here. And man, I have to say, I'm usually a fan of the whiter kind of finish out, but this darker works. It works nicely because it's you see the darker kind of gray cabinet, but then it's kind of paired up with this really, really cool. This is just awesome. I love this backsplash. So this really, really works nice. Great appliances. Oh, go ahead.
I'd like to open up the cabinetry so that everyone knows that it is actually usable space and not just for.
Yeah, and a lot of shelves too. This is awesome. Look at all these shelves. This is great. So it's really, really pretty. Okay, I'm going into the living room. Wow. Okay, this 14 feet. How big is this? 14 feet. Wow. It feels like 20 feet, but it's 14 feet. It feels very, very elegant. It just feels, like I said, it feels kind of like a home, more than a home. So if you are maybe have sold your home recently and you want to live simply, but in something that feels great, this might be a great option for you. You can see there's a lot of space to work with over there on that wall where you can put TV or you can put dresser, like here, this kind of furniture right here. And then you've got I'd say it's a medium-sized couch. So you've got a medium-sized couch over here. So you've got some good space to work with over there. And then let's go out on the balcony real quick. Let's see it. Oh wow, this is great because it's got some lake views. Love this. This is amazing. Great lake views. And as I mentioned, you're super close to the Star. The Star is just a huge hub of activity, and you can go catch some practices. Since the Cowboys work out there, what goes on is you get free. There's tickets that become available. They're absolutely free, and you can go, but they go up very quick, as you can imagine. So you can go just walk to those practices when they're in summer camp, and that's just a cool feature. So absolutely love that. So that's actually not too far away, believe it or not. That's about 6 months away. Not even that. So anyway, really, really pretty.
On the left-hand side will be the secondary bedroom, and on the right-hand side will be the primary.
Okay, primary. Okay. So let's go to the main, and we're going to go in here. And again, that great 14-foot ceiling just feels awesome. There's this good king size, and look at all this space that's here. This is just amazing. Great amount of space. This is great. And then look at these walls that are here. That's just great too. Oh, now we're walking into the bathroom and I'm seeing something I love. So here we go. We're looking at a shower that I would love to call my own. This is amazing. Look at all that space in there. It's just so pretty. Look at that tile backsplash that's in there. That's just beautiful. And then this closet is very sumptuous is a word that I would describe as sumptuous. This is like a mini room. Honestly, you could put a little, if you wanted to, you could put a little desk in here and work. It's that big. It's just huge. Look at all this space. It's just very, very large. So this is awesome. Absolutely love this space that's in here. It's a really, really pretty countertop that's here with that granite, and then plenty of storage in here too. So this is good. Let's go see the secondary real quick. And all right, so look in there. Oh wow, also feels really nice. So this has a very generous amount of space over here to work with. I like the art and the what they put on over here. It looks really, really great. You've also got, it's not floor to ceiling, but man, it's about 80% windows. So you're gonna have a lot of natural light in here. This is a rather mild day, not really sunny, so you can see the amount of light we already have. And then you got plenty of space to work with over here, so this is great. We're gonna go in here, and this is the beautiful bathroom. Notice that the hardwood also extends in here. That makes it so easy to clean. So absolutely love that. That's really, really pretty. And then the closet, very nice size too. This is the secondary, so the closet is perhaps a little bit smaller, not much. But this is a really, really nice closet. Very nice walk-in, plenty of space to store. So just no issues. This is awesome. Absolutely love this. And then just a final view of we walk in, and this is what it looks like from the secondary bedroom. And I'm just kind of wanting you to see it, just so you can see what it looks like. This is great. This is just be fun to walk in. If only they just included all the furniture, then it would be just perfect.